takes to actually get around the corner. Right? Accelerate through. Slow the car down here. It's a tight turn. Not a lot of grip. Right? We'll do about mid-track, maybe a little bit more when it's slick. Brake before the corner, and we turn in, we feel how much grip we got. Once we're on the hill, the front tire's gonna get a little more grip. We can start accelerating. Not a lot of grip there. We're gonna displace this apex, we get some space. We're looking for that second apex. Then you just keep the wheel turned. See, I just have the wheel turned, it's not much. And that's all we do. The track comes to me. Outside edge of the track before we turn in. We're gonna get back to this apex. See that cone? That's our apex cone. So we hit this one, come in, we're gonna get the next one, follow the stripes out. Slick there. Follow them in. A little bit of tap of the brake here. Look how much wider we are. So now we got this nice big angle. So we carry more speed, the car doesn't slide. You don't have to
necessarily touch that.
No, you don't care about that one. This one.
I think I was trying to get the apex there, but you don't have to get that apex.
No. Nice and straight, accelerate through. Breaking a straight line. Nice late turn in. Carrying with speed. Let us. Making the corners as wide as possible. Right? The bigger the radius, the less grip it takes to get around. Right? Transferring the weight where we need it. We're feeling the balance. Right? Front end's going. We unwind a little bit. Gotta be patient. Take what we can get and no more. We won't be greedy. Alright, just keep the wheel turned. The corners are going to come to us. Slide there. Slick there. That's where they dropped all that oil. Straight line. Nice, easy turn in. Slow, smooth hands. Carrying what speed the grip will let us. Straight line, make the radius as big as possible. outside edge before we turn in. Nice late turn in. Clip this first apex, get all the way to the right. So we get all the way to the left here, which allows us to come back to the right. We want to stay ahead of these corners. We're going to be all the way out here, get a little bit of brake, turn in. We got a nice wide corner. Stay about here.
That's a rattlesnake, right?
Yep, that's rattlesnake. Okay. This is wagon wheel.
So there we
coming up to Ricochet. So we're all the way on the outside here. Come through the corner, add in throttle as we do, straighten wheels when we can. Add in throttle. Brake in a straight line. Turn in nice and late. Carry what speed we can get away with. That was all. Feel the front tires start to go. I just unwind the wheel a little bit. It's all about feeling out what kind of grip you got.
Right.
We don't have a lot of it.
Yeah.
We want to use it all.
Right.
But we can't get more than we ask. We can't ask more than there is.
Sure.
Okay, we're looking for that second apex. We don't care about this one. Making this nice and wide. Slick. Breaking a straight line. Late apex. Feeling out the grip. Turn in here. Making these as big as we can. The bigger the radius, the easier it is to get around.
Which turn was I too close to the...
This one.
This one? Okay.
Like he did, see?
Yeah, so I lost my orientation. Where are we now?
This is wagon wheel.
Wagon wheel. So that was rattlesnake off the wagon wheel?
Yep. That's not a passing zone. Next corner. There we go. This is your passing zone. Okay, get the corner. So he tried to give me a point by in a non-passing zone, and then he didn't give the point by in the passing zone. Yep. This is another passing zone and no point. Well, that's why after, if it gets waved off, you need to give it the next passing zone, because there's probably a reason why it got waved off. That one was that it was not a passing zone there.
Okay.
It's not a passing zone until after Ricochet.
Advanced?
This should be intermediate.
What's this?
Rattlesnake.
Rattlesnake, okay.
Adjust.
So the turn just before...
That's the one you keep turning into early.
Too early. So the turn just before...
It's not a passing zone there.
Just before Horse.
this is a passing zone. There we go. I'm gonna have to tell them that they need to go over that in the classroom.
So for the intermediates, they also follow the green zones?
Yep. Yeah, only the instructors in advance have pass everywhere.
Okay.
Intermediate and novice are the exact same rules.
Right.
The only difference is the intermediate, only some of the people have coaches.
Okay, okay.
Most of them are solo approved, so they're on their own.
Okay.
Which is why they're given passes and no passing zones,
Yeah.
because they don't have a coach to tell them that's not a passing zone.
Okay, okay. Right.
It's slick out here. Gotta be super smooth with these inputs.
I think when I turned in a little too early, I felt like I would go off the road if I didn't.
Yeah.